Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloodstrike offline. It's important to understand that Bloodstrike is fundamentally an online multiplayer experience designed for real-time combat with other players. This means a consistent internet connection is typically required to access the game's main features, including matchmaking, progression, and events. Unfortunately, the primary game modes do not offer a dedicated offline play option. While some online games offer limited offline components, Bloodstrike is built around its live service. It does not include a traditional single-player campaign or story mode that you can enjoy without internet. Even features like training ranges or practice areas often require an initial online connection to download assets or verify game files. Therefore, extensive offline access is generally not available within the game. The fundamental architecture of Bloodstrike makes offline play challenging. The game relies heavily on its servers for critical functions like matchmaking, storing player progression data, and implementing anti-cheat measures. All game updates, new maps, and seasonal content are delivered exclusively through online channels. Furthermore, your player account and any in-game purchases are securely linked to your online profile, making offline access impractical. If you're looking for gaming on the go without an internet connection, consider exploring other mobile games specifically designed for robust offline play. There are many excellent single-player titles across various genres that offer hundreds of hours of content without needing to be online. For Bloodstrike, the best experience is always achieved with a stable internet connection, allowing you to fully engage in its dynamic battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.